Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video is obviously a Dollar Tree haul. So I found some more fall decor. Guys, they are bringing on the fall decor and I am loving it. I feel like I already made like 3 or 4 Dollar Tree fall decor hauls. It's because they are bringing them like little by little, and I was gonna wait until I have all the fall decor and just make like a really huge Dollar Tree fall decor. But the thing is, I want to make sure that I show you guys what they have at the Dollar Tree at that very moment before it runs out. That way, if you guys like anything you see, you can pick it up before it runs out. Before we begin, if you guys have not subscribed to my channel, make sure that you click that subscribe button. I do post 5 days a week, so why not join me? It is free. And without further ado, let's get right into the haul. So like I said, I do have a lot of fall decor. I'm gonna show you the fall decor first, and then I'm gonna show you some other stuff that are not fall related, but I still wanted to show you. The first 3 things are these word signs. So the first one is this one right here. I have 3 kinds of these. This first one says thankful, and it is a DIY decor. That's what they call it. So basically you can DIY it, paint it, do whatever you want to it. You can add like baby pumpkins here, you know, maybe some leaves, whatever you want to it. I am debating it at keeping it the way it is, just because I like this kind of like rustic. It's not rustic, but it's more like raw wood material type look to it, if I'm making any sense. But it looks like this, and I really love this. I think this is so pretty to put like on a table with your floral arrangements, and you just put that right there at the table. I just think that is so gorgeous. So yeah, there's the first one, says thank you. The second one says family. Look at that. And they are really nice size, and they are very sturdy. They have some nice weight to it. It's not like heavy, but it is some nice weight. Now this is not solid wood. I forgot what that's called. It is wood, but it's like composite wood. I don't really know, but it's not like solid wood. So it's not heavy, but it does have a nice weight to it. Look at the thickness of it. Now it does have this where you can hang it. I personally won't hang it because I don't know, I just don't like that look. With words like this, I like to have it standing somewhere. I think one of them will probably go on my fireplace. We shall see. But there's that one. And then the last one, oh my gosh, my basket is about to tip over. So the last one says gather. And this one I'm debating on painting it orange. We shall see. But I love this. Whenever it says gather, I just love it. I feel like gather belongs maybe in the kitchen because we're all gathering around to eat, and I don't know, for me it just makes sense. So this will either be on my kitchen or on my dining table, so we shall see. So I finally found the other one. So in my last Dollar Tree haul, I got the one that says love, and it was more brown, and then this one says gather, and it's kind of like a modern looking dark gray. And this one is amazing. Like, this is solid, guys. It's thick, it's a really nice quality, and everything about it, honestly, I just think it is gorgeous. I wouldn't change anything about it, literally nothing. I'm still hoping I can find the last one. So there's one that says love, which I have, this one which says gather, and I think the last one says family, and that one is with white. So this background would be white, and then this, I'm not really sure, I think it's like gray or something. But I thought they would be really perfect to put them all together on top of the fireplace, and it just looks like 3 little houses. I think it's also perfect for the fall time and Thanksgiving. They just look gorgeous. But anyways, I just think this is just so pretty. And guys, when I picked that one up, I did get one for myself and my friend. We're like Dollar Tree shopping buddies. We always call each other to see what we found at the dollar store whenever she goes, and then whenever I go, we kind of do that. But we were not able to find this. This is hard to find. And when I did find it, there was only like 4 left, and they had like a huge empty space. So I'm pretty sure that they had all of them and everybody just went crazy for it. So yeah, they are kind of hard to find. The next items that I got are these. These are one of my favorite fall decor, and these are with cotton and acorns. They're so pretty. They do have this too. I don't really know what it's called. Let me know if you guys know. But they also have this. And like I said, I got 4 of them because I'm gonna do a DIY with them. And I just think these are pretty. I love the cotton, I don't know, what do they call them? Cotton flowers? I don't know. But I really love them. Now they do have like individual cotton stems that are super long. But I feel like last year they did a really great job, and this year they kind of look really cheap and the color's off, so I didn't end up picking any of them. I was gonna pick a lot of them up because they're super long. They're like this long. But the thing that I don't like about it is that they are, like I said, they're cheap. They don't look good. If they were to make it like this, that would have been perfect. But it looks cheap and I don't like it. I had something in mind for it where I would put it like in the corner of my room, or somewhere in the corner of my house, and have like a nice long vase and just put them all in there. And they would just look so pretty, but yeah, not so cute. They didn't do that great of a job this year. So for that reason, I passed on it. Moving on, I got 2 of these pumpkin clips, 2 packs of the pumpkin clips. So they come in a 3-pack, and I got the white ones. This I'm gonna use for a DIY wreaths that I'm gonna do soon. And I really love these because they're easy. You don't have to hot glue them. You don't have to do anything. And if you mess it up and you wanna move it around and you change your mind, you want them in a different place or wherever you put them, you can easily clip it somewhere else. So that's why I really love these, and it comes in the 3-pack. I think they are really great quality. So yeah, I love these. And they also had these in the orange, and I like the combination, the white with the orange. So I also got 2 packs of these orange ones. I got some maple leaves. These are 50 pieces, which I have a hard time believing there's 50 of them in here. I don't know why, but to me that does not look like 50. That looks like maybe 20, but whatever. Hopefully there's 50 of them in here. But it does say they're maple leaves. And I am thinking of maybe using this kind of scattered around my table and just put random little maple leaves everywhere. I don't know. I will see. Or I might just use it as a DIY for something else. But yeah, I really love this. This is done perfectly. So it's in a style as like a mason jar, and it has the red truck. There's some apples and pumpkins and the tree. Look at the tree, guys. Look at this truck. It has pumpkins and sunflower seeds. Sunflowers. And everything about it is perfect. There's the burlap on top. You can obviously hang it if you want. I'm not going to. I'm going to put this on my coffee bar area. And I'll probably put like some other pumpkins, maybe some little hay. I just think it's absolutely gorgeous. I did haul something like this in the last haul. And it was with a barrel, so it was a little bit different, but they still do kind of go together, same kind of theme, and I just love it. This is very nostalgic, guys. It just brings me back to my childhood whenever like the leaves were falling. And do you guys ever get that where you look at something, you're like, oh my gosh, it gives you such a great feeling? This is an item that just makes me feel really good, so I love this. And then the other 2 decors, first one being is this one. So this says friends gather here, and this is really pretty. They have never brought this out. It's really different. And what I'm thinking of doing is putting 4 of these on the wall as decor, maybe above my fireplace. I will see, I'm not sure. And I'm just gonna hang it like this, like 4 in a square. And they all have different sayings. I already have the other 2 that I hauled in from my other Dollar Tree haul. And then one of them that is also gonna go up is this one. So it says thankful, grateful, and blessed. Looks like this. I absolutely love the pumpkins. And as you can see, they all kind of go together. It's kind of like the same color combination, if you know what I mean. And I do have another one that says thankful, grateful, and truly blessed. Something like that. But guys, this is just gorgeous. I mean, look at it. It's gorgeous. Okay, moving on to the next 2 items. These have to be my top 2 favorite decor from the Dollar Tree. I love this. They are a really nice, large size fall decor. Look at this, guys. I mean, look at this compared to my body. It's huge. So it's about, let me see. 12, it's about 2 feet. So I really love this. This is a girl and it says happy fall. I just love her. And it has like the sunflower here on top. And then it has the boy version and it looks like this, and this one says welcome, and then it has a crow on top of his head right here. So I absolutely love these guys. Like, look at this. And I'm gonna put this at the bottom of my fireplace. It's gonna be one on each side, and I'm gonna put some other stuff there, but these automatically, when I saw them, I'm like, that's what I'm gonna use it for. These are perfect. And then guys, they are bringing the burlap leaves. So I have 3 packs of these. The first one is this one right here, and there's 5 pieces in each one. Looks like this, and I'm planning to DIY these for some pillows that I have in mind. So I'm gonna do some fall pillows, and I really like this so much. Look at this. The color is gorgeous. And then here is the other one. Really, really beautiful. Absolutely love it. And then the last one is like that original burlap color. Now they did have one like this similar, but it was like more of a darker green undertone, ugly color that I didn't pick up. I just thought it was hideous, but they do have that one. And then the last fall item that I found is this one. Now in my last Dollar Tree haul, I did haul these in all the colors. But since I only got 1 of these and 2 of the white, I wanted to get another one because this is one of my favorite colors for fall. And I do like this type of color for fall. So I just think this is just beautiful. So I got another one. It's the Velvet Pumpkins. If you guys had your eye on this last year and maybe you weren't able to pick it up, guys, if you see it, pick it up because these sell out really fast. Okay, now moving on to the next items that are not fall related. So the first ones are these 3 packs of stickers. So each one has 370 stickers, and they're letters in black. They do have these in different colors, but I got in the black because I'm planning to use this for my pantry to label it, and I'm gonna use these stickers. I'll see how that goes, but I got 3. I was gonna get 5, but I ended up getting 3, and I really like these. These are really, really pretty. You get 270 for $1. I think that is a great deal. And then I picked up this. Now they always carry this, but guys, this is something that honestly you really need to like keep it whenever you wash your hands. You know, we don't think about this much, but whenever we wash your hands, it's good to also wash your nails. So whenever you lather up, use this brush. So you can use this the big brush or the small one. And as you're lathering up, just a little bit, like maybe 5 seconds each on each nail, kind of clean your nails because there's a lot of dirt that goes in your nails. Now my nails are pretty short, but whenever I have them a little bit longer, I do like to clean them, especially if you have like gel nails or acrylics. You want to make sure you get that dirt off because I don't know if you guys notice, but if you don't, you end up having like little dust that's in there, and to me it looks gross. So if you don't want any dirt underneath your nails, or you want to make sure that area is clean too, I would recommend that you pick this up. This, I just think it's awesome, and this to me is one of like Dollar Tree must-have because it is amazing. It comes in a 2-pack, and it is by Sassy and Chic. The next item I picked up is this hair clip right here. They do have different kinds of hair clips like this that is with the pearl design, but I got this because I already have those, and this is just super, super cute. I think this is perfect if you have your hair in a bun like I do right now and just maybe put it in the back on top. I just think it's so chic and so beautiful. So there's that one. I just love it. I got a pair of scissors. Now this says it's for kids, and they do have a lot of back to school things that right now it's like fully loaded at the Dollar Tree. But I got one in pink. I do wish they had the adult size in a color pink, but they don't. And to be honest with you, for a scissor, I don't want to pay like $5 or maybe $10 on Amazon. I really don't know the prices on Amazon for scissors like this, and I didn't even check, so I can't tell you. I'm pretty sure it's like not super expensive, but I do know that with Amazon they do range between $5, $10, maybe even $15. And for a scissor, I don't think it's worth it, guys. Any scissor that is like this with the stainless steel is pretty good. And throughout the time, scissors do wear out. You can sharpen them if you want to, but after a while they do wear out and they don't work the same. So I did need a new scissor. I do think this is cute. It's compact, it's small, and I actually like it. And then the next item is this one right here. This is the e.l.f. Eyebrow Stencil Kit. So looks like this. You get 4 different stencils in here. And usually I don't use stencils, guys. I can do this on my own. I noticed that I guess with brows, it's like a practice makes perfect kind of thing, where the more you practice it, the more easier it gets and the faster you can do it. But there's still days where no matter how you try to do it right, it just does not look right. One looks thicker and higher, the other one looks thinner and looks crazy. But for the most part, I'm kind of used to doing my brows pretty quickly, and I want to still try these and maybe let you guys know what I think if you guys are interested. I have tried other stencils by different brands, and I honestly didn't like it because they would move in a weird way. It's like more like clear plastic, and the way it moves, you can't really get it like a perfect, it's not really perfect because our face is not flat, so it's not that easy to use a stencil as it might look like it is. So I'm gonna give this a shot and I'm gonna let you guys know. I found this right here for my baby girl. This is a container with Minnie Mouse. I just thought it was cute, and I was thinking about using this for like her little snacks. She has like baby snacks, and I was thinking to put it in here and maybe put her soup in here. So I do make her soup homemade, and whenever I'm on the go, I do like to have her soup ready. So I think this is perfect to just put her soup, and whenever she's hungry, it's ready to go. And look at her, she is so cute. And then the last item, now they always have this, guys, but I wanted to get this because my baby girl saw it. She just got really intrigued and she got excited just looking at it. So I got her this ball. Now they do have like different colors and kind of different styles. Some of them do not have like these little bumps, but I think because these have the bumps, it helps her to kind of hold it better. My baby is 9 months, and this is perfect for her. She loves it. She loves playing with this. And you know, if you have kids, you want them to have a ball to play with, you know, it's $1. You know what? I do have one more thing I wasn't even gonna mention because I feel like they always have this. It's nothing fun. I just got a basket, so there's that. I only found one of these in the white. I always get these baskets in white. The different styles they have, I only get white. I don't get different colors at all. But yeah, that is actually really good for like putting toys in, or you know, any little stuff that you want to use for storage. But anyways, that is it, guys. I hope that you guys enjoyed this haul. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you guys are watching and you still haven't subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Click that subscribe button. It is free, and I would love to have you. Why not join me? Until next time, remember, stay blessed.